Alright everybody, so I have a new rifle. This is a High Point 9mm Carbine. I've had a couple of these over the years, and since getting the Ruger PC carbine, I really wanted to get back into this just to kind of compare the two, between the very low end, which is this, to moderate, I guess you could say, for the Ruger. Just so everybody knows, it's empty, locked back, magazines right here. So the nice thing with these High Point carbines is they're stupid accurate straight out of the box. That's the biggest selling point for me with them, is at 25 yards they're dead on. With them, as you can see down here in the back, it's got the butt stock. The butt plate is a shock absorber. They make an adapter that you can put on the back here to be able to hold 2 more magazines, because their magazines only hold 10 rounds. Simple, safety right there. No magazine in it, so it won't slide up too safe, which is one of the weird things, but hey, it is what it is. Charging handle has lots of Picatinny rail for any sort of accessories that you want to put on it, whether it's a foregrip, lights, anything like that. The sights are ghost ring sights. I'm at my wife's table, so you might see some of her stuff. Pretty standard. It does lock back on the last round. My biggest complaint with this, it will always be, is their magazines. I'm going to have some video here in a second that when I was shooting it, and I had a few double feeds, and everything has to do with this magazine. I wish somehow High Point could re-engineer this rifle to accept other companies' magazines, such as Glock. That's one of the things that I think Ruger did very, very well with their PC carbine, is the fact that they made a Glock magazine adapter for it. This magazine will always be their Achilles tendon with it. That being said, this thing is a great plinker. It's fun to shoot, no recoil. It's just fun. Less than 300 bucks out the door. You can't beat it. Yes, the magazines stink. Yes, they're only 10 rounds. But this is not going to be a battle rifle. This is going to be a plinking. This is going to be a backup to my backup. So other than that, it's pretty good. I'll have the rest of the video here in about 2 seconds. Alright, so continuing on with Firearms Friday. This is the High Point that I just showed you guys. I'm going to shoot it now. So first I've got just brass blazer. I've got some Tula steel, and then I've got some Federal hollow points that I'll be shooting. The Federal hollow points are low recoil, just because that happened to be the kind that Walmart had. This is the Tula steel. Double feed. Oh, that's it. Alright, this is the Federal hollow point low recoil. Alright, now that I shot through all of them, I'm just going to shoot some more of the Blazer. Double feed. Okay.